think that's fogo. That's Darren, Daddy. He's doing the fogo.
Oh. So what do you want to do,
Go
bud?
up here. This is where he's turning. He's turning right down here. We'll go up ahead. Yeah, I knew we'd catch a truck, Daddy.
Yeah.
So Peter is doing the garbage, of course. See, he's going up here, I think, Daddy. So let's go up here. Stop here, Daddy.
Yeah, he's coming fast.
I wanna. Hey, Darren. How's your day going, mate?
Yeah, not bad, mate. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks.
Good,
So you're doing the fogo.
today, mate.
Yeah, how's your day going, mate?
Yeah, doing really well.
Do you know where the general waste is?
Oh, you're probably over on
Wow.
Forest Street. Probably down the very back there.
Yeah. So when are you going down Wappers?
Oh, that'll be one of the trucks, the waste truck will be there probably in about an hour.
Okay.
Over there soon.
I'm gonna go down along here and film you. Hello everyone, this is the fogo truck. It's being driven by Darren. A lovely driver he is. I think he's turning left.